Guys, in today's video, we're gonna be playing. Wait, what? Alright, so in today's video, we're gonna be playing. Don't press the button 4. Yeah, we're just gonna be playing this. Yeah, I haven't done a video in a long time, so I might as well do one today. Oh no. Oh hell no. Oh my god, that was so close. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh my, no way. No way, bro. No way. Yo, what? How? This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Yo, yo. Yo, yo. You see that? Oh my. Oh my. No, no way. Oh my god. Slide down. Okay, I'll slide down. What is wrong with you? Look what you done to me. I'm stuck. Bro. Yay! Alright. Want to press the button. Yes, I think I pressed the button. What do you mean? Oh. That's not fair. No. No. That's not fair. Yo, that's not fair. That is not fair. Bruh. That's not fair. It's cheater. Really, bro? Yo, that's actually not fair. That was not fair. Seriously, bro. No, point out, yes. You need a bunch of pointers. Yo, but that's not. No, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, you serious right now? Yo, but no, he's actually saving me. He's actually saving me. He's actually saving me. Yeah, I'm dead. It's because of that freezing guy, bro. That's unfair. He's cheating. That's so cheating. I'm not even lying. Cheater. Cheater, pumpkin eater. No way, bro. That's crazy. On your marks. 3, 2, 1. go. I finished 3rd place? Man, that's not fair. That was actually not fair, guys. Not fair. Oh, 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys. That was just my cousin. With who is the Diana Ravingan people? Yeah, that was my cousin. Sorry about that, guys. Why am I this guy? Why am I this guy? I don't know why I'm this guy. Alright. I don't know. Oh my god. Find a blockchain cola to survive. I found one. Let's go. I found one. Wait, what? Oh, you have to drink it. Three players survived. Me, Yutmad, and Molly something. I don't know. Stop the incoming balls by touching them. One. Out one. Out one. Out one. Oh my god, I was so close. No! Yes! No! No, bro! We lost. Aliens! Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. I'm not going inside. Yo, what is that? Woo! No way. That's crazy. Wow, that's crazy. I think you got on the correct color. I don't know how I got on the wrong color, but she's the only one left? Yeah, she is. No way. Oh, you're the last one. How am I gonna... Oh my. How am I gonna do this? I think I know this map. I used to do this before. I made it. First try. Let's go. First try, 8. First try, 8. First try, 8. Almost everyone made it. Almost everyone. Don't fall off the building. How are we gonna fall off the building? Yo, get off of me. Yo, that's crazy. Nah, he's a cheater. The bug? Bro, he's a cheater. See, that's why he fell. He's a cheater, bro. That's a cheater. That's what a cheater would do. Oh. What do you want me to find? This? No. This? Let's go. The hammer? Bring me the wrench. Here you go. And then let's go. Let's go. All right. Oh yeah, and I think this is part 2. Yeah, this is part 2. I think. Yeah, this is part 2. So yeah. Where's the house? I need to find my house. Where's the house? Yo, it can't be over. It can't. It's right there. It's right there. Let's go. Get ready. Fight! Why can't I? Yo, that guy? I don't like that guy, guys. I don't like him. I literally get stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. So yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.